We have some complaints.
Sir, we have to disclose to the family who lodged the complaint. What's the complaint related to? What's the matter? Then only the family can cooperate properly. Till now also they are cooperating, and they say that the person you are looking for is not present in the house. So if you produce,
we honestly ask her, okay, we have to get him. Actually, she is denying him actually.
If the person
is not the way. We have not illegally entered, okay, we have not illegally, we are asking, right permission. Permission, we have entered here. Then she also told us to enter the room. According to we are sitting then waiting, we are saying something, discussion about this thing. Then we told her, madam also, whether he is available.
Then what did madam say then?
So he is not available. But as per location, this location was here. That's why I was in confusion.
Then what did she say about the number? I think I heard her say something.
Number was with
okay.
Then he children then saw me. That's why I can able to.
For the reason, sir, for not available to bring the mobile, what did she say then? See, the mobile is with children.
Yeah, children is already sleeping. Then just to we can, if actually the mobile was with the children, then she can able to.
See, there may be some inconvenience. She also may be having some inconvenience.
The number to
No, it's with my son. Anyway, you please tell me the paper. If you produce the documents, I would have told you. No, I would have called him. I've been asking you to produce the documents for the past 1 hour, but no such paper has been produced to me. How will I call my husband?
And I came here to meet him for inquiry. Okay.
What inquiry? I needed paper. Even we need appointment even to speak to like this is an odd hour. All of us were asleep. See, my son will begin to cry now. We have a small baby. And like I've been requesting you to kindly produce the documents so that like I will either call my husband or I'll be able to help you.
If you can produce any
reason. So we're not forcing. Okay, we're not forcing her. We can patiently we have request her also honestly to be. And the reason. But actually, yes, for location.
The phone is with me. I told you, na. The phone is with my son. The phone is like with us. The phone is with my son.
Which actually what I have shown you, that belongs to Kramsa.
Yeah.
You said that is not this mobile was used by children. Then show me.
The phone is with us. So, like, when you go home, like, I don't think, like, your son will spare you, right?
Number, okay.
Your son will also grab your phone and, like,
provide me the Kramsa
use
number,
it, isn't it?
You have to provide me. Then whom I believe?
I told you, no, this is the number. This is the number.
Number what?
But this is other moment, like, my son is using.
The number which I have is located in this house area only, this compound area, this campus. But you said that this mobile was used by children. Then I once again ask you that to provide me the Kramsa's number. You have to provide me so that I could able to contact him.
Sir, the thing will be,
isn't it?
No.
Instead of
sir, we can understand
then
everything. But sir,
if you provide me, then so that I could able to contact him.
Sir, the thing is, if you produce a proper documents, then every problem will be solved. You just show the documents.
Then provide me the number.
You have come with proper permission.
Current number of the Kramsa.
So first you give us the paper, give us the proper documents. After that, like, we will cooperate.
I think that is
there are certain things now which we can.
That is bound on you. That law is bound on you.
Yes, sir.
To produce the document. We cannot just enter in somebody's property just like that. I think you know the law better than us.
Provide the numbers. Which I'm asking you if you have the project provide me.
Không xin tôi. Nó này có lời mà.